Aisle 6.
Kirk made a mess.
Aisle 31.
Well, you know the deal. We've all seen those products on TV. They seem way too good to be true. And frankly, none of us want to waste our money if these things don't work.
But it's so tempting. So we are starting a new series for you, and we're asking, Kirk, does it work?
We're all asking in unison. We sure are. And today we're checking out this. This is the Hurricane Mop 360. It promises to make the job of cleaning up, of mopping, easier. So we're doing the dirty work literally for you before you spend your money.
The only mop and bucket that spins the dirt away.
The Hurricane 360 Spin Mop, a microfiber mop with a unique bucket.
You get a clean mop head that's practically dry and ready for more.
We took those promises and this mop to Melissa Wallenberg, a mother in Highlands Ranch with 3 kids and 2 dogs. So she's always dealing with dirt.
It just seems like you clean and then they come home and you look and go, what have I didn't do a thing.
We had her mop half of her kitchen with her existing method, an electric Swiffer. The other half with the Hurricane Mop. And she was optimistic. She instantly liked that the Hurricane Mop was more eco-friendly.
I get sick every time I have to, throw out the batteries, throw out the cloth, buy new. This is all plastic. I don't know if it's recyclable.
So we got to it, filling up the bucket and mopping away. She immediately went for those difficult corners.
That's pretty amazing.
And even that tough to clean chocolate spot that her Swiffer didn't get.
And I got it right away. Look at that.
The mop here is only half of the equation. The other half is the hurricane portion, this mop bucket with this spinning basket. It uses a foot pedal, and what you do is push the foot pedal. It spins the basket, drying off the mop head. In the end, after watching the commercial, she thought the mop head would spin while cleaning, but it doesn't. Nonetheless, she does like the spinning bucket.
It is cheesy, but it works. Yeah. That's the thing, is that I like that somebody came up with this totally, new idea on how to get it out of there.
And she was impressed by how well the microfiber mop cleaned up her floors. So it's like a salad spinner for your mop, basically.
I like that.
Yeah, and that was the thing. Like she said, this is a nice mop, but in the end, it's pretty much just a mop. And it was this drying system, this spin system they have in the bucket that she thought was really cool that made it a little bit easier to dry the mop off after you're mopping. So we bought this thing over at Bed Bath & Beyond for $40. And, you got to decide if it's worth your money, if you want to spend that much on a mop. But she thinks in the end, because she uses a Swiffer, as you heard her talk about there, she spends so much money on refills.
Right.
She thinks something like this could end up saving her money.
Well, that is the nice thing.
Yeah.
There aren't any refills to be had. And that's the sloppiest part of it, is trying to get all that water out.
So for sure. And if you guys have ideas of what we should try,